everybody. I'm Connie Stewart with SimplySimpleStamping.com. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. We've got a little throwback video for you today. I'm actually recovering from shoulder surgery, and it's a little hard to stamp with just one hand. So this week I want to share a couple of really fun videos with you. I hope you find some great inspiration from what I have to share. So are you ready to get started with the throwback? Let's see what we've got today. Have you ever needed a card and you needed a little more space for several people to write a message? So let's say maybe you want to send around a card around the office and have several people sign it, or maybe it's a organization that you're with and you want several people to sign a card. Our cards are great, but there's only so much room in one of these cards. So today we're going to talk about how to extend a card. I think it's going to blow your mind, so let's get started. So let's say we have a basic card. Here's one that I made, and I thought I need more room in this card. I need lots of people to be able to sign it. Let me show you how I'm going to extend it. This card is an 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4 inch card. I'm going to add a piece here, and I've got a piece of regular Whisper White, and this is cut 5 1/4 inches by 8 inches, scored at 4 inches. My card is all done. I'm going to place adhesive on the back of my folded cardstock. And I hope you see what I'm doing. It's just this easy. We layer it right here inside our card. And now we have an extended card. Your co-workers, your friends at church or in a group, everyone can write here, 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 and here. We've just expanded a regular A2 size card. Now, of course, you may want to stamp on this, and I encourage you to do that. You could maybe just stamp some little bits in the corner. Let me share a card that I did that is stamped. This is a card I created. You may have seen this one. I did a video on this one a while back, and this is a 4 1/4 by 11 inch card, all right, scored at 5 1/2 inches. And for this one, you can see there's my extension. Again, plenty of room for everyone to write their messages. So let me show you how to create an extension for a longer card. This piece is cut 4 inches by 10 1/2 inches, scored at 5 1/4 inch. The fold is right here up at the top, allowing my card to open and close. And if you want to change it up, here is a longer card, and I've added my extension right there. So it doesn't have to all follow, the rules, right? We can add a little something extra right there. Oh, you know what? I've got to do a little bit of stamping. It's just not a Connie video unless we do some stamping. I'm using a little lace stamp set here. And this one I just thought was kind of nice because it allows us to add a little border, which I think is kind of nice when you've got people who are going to be signing all around. Let's do a little on the inside. Honestly, the amount of stamping you're going to do is going to be determined on how many people are going to sign the card. And now you see when we add that inside our card, look at how pretty. We could add a little bit more here if we wanted to. Again, you want to make sure you have plenty of room for everyone to sign. But there we go. We've just extended a card. Now, what if you have a huge group? You need a lot of people to sign a card. How about adding 2 extensions to a card? Another great idea. It's just some simple stamping on that. And look, it folds up nice and flat. And I got to tell you guys, the possibilities of this are endless. Here's another 4 1/4 by 11. And I've just added 2 extensions to the inside. But what a great way to give another extended card. Thank you again so much for joining me for the throwback video. Remember, you can find more information about this video or order any of the supplies that I used in the video over at SimplySimpleStamping.com, and I look forward to seeing you there. Have a fabulous day, my friends. Looking forward to stamping with you again soon. Bye-bye.